Alabama is one of only 3 states in the country that puts a tax on hearing aids. However, it won't be that way for long. Our Jasmine Bird speaks with a lawmaker who says they've been listening to complaints from Alabamians and will have a solution by this fall.
Last summer, a constituent of mine in Mobile, Alabama contacted me and was surprised to learn that, when he went to go check out, he had health insurance, but he owed $1,000.
Representative Margie Wilcox from Montgomery says she was told $1,000 was the copay and the taxes, and the insurance company did not pay the tax portion.
He was surprised to learn that, and then also told me that if he had just driven to Pascagoula or to Pensacola, 1 hour east or west, he wouldn't have had to pay that tax. So he implored upon me to fix that.
Wilcox filed House Bill 51 to remove state taxes on hearing aids throughout the state.
But when I passed the bill, an amendment was put on there that I could only remove the state's portion of the tax.
After that, Wilcox said it would be left to the individual cities and counties to remove their portion.
So I'm thrilled to say that Madison is the first city that I know of that is seeking to remove that. The state portion will be removed October 1st. If they need a hearing aid before then, I'm sorry, maybe the city of Madison's, their tax will be removed before them. The state portion, I cannot remove until October.
Wilcox says Alabama is one of only 3 states in the U.S. that taxes hearing aids.
So it puts our citizens, our vulnerable citizens, at a particular disadvantage.
And Alabama Department of Rehabilitation Services Commissioner Jane Elizabeth Birdshaw shares that sometimes that particular disadvantage starts in the workforce.
A set of hearing aids that are tuned specifically for a person's needs, individual needs, can run around $6,000, $5,000 to $6,000 for private pay. But when we talk about insurance or Medicaid, even if the actual hearing aids are covered, if they're still taxed, you can imagine that that's still hundreds of dollars. And so if a person is living check to check and needs that income, then that hundreds of dollars can make the difference in whether or not they're able to pay their bills that month.
Jasmine Bird, Fox 54 News.